Hi, welcome back to my channel, Me So Frugal, and today it's all about how to quit vaping. So you're trying to quit vaping like me, right? I've actually gotten a lot better with it. It used to be every single day, but now I probably vape like once a week. So I guess I could kind of help you tone it down. These are what I did to help tone it down. And I wouldn't suggest cutting it cold turkey because you are going to crave it because of the nicotine. So I've failed a lot of times because I try to cut it cold turkey. So I started vaping 2 years ago. During my travels when a girl in Sri Lanka let me try hers and I enjoyed the taste of it. And then I just bought one for myself and I was vaping throughout my trip, and when I came back I continued to vape. It had gotten to a point where I think I went on a trip to Mexico. I didn't read that it was illegal to bring it in there. I was leaving the airport and we had to put our bags through this metal detector, and they found the 2 of the vapes, and the police guy was like, come here. He started pulling it, the vapes out of my bag, and I had to. So he's like, oh, $40 for the fine. And I'm like, oh, just throw it out. I'm sorry, my stupid ass didn't realize it was legal. And then he's like, no, $40. And then I'm like, just please, just throw it out. And then he lowered it to $20. I'm like, you know what? $20 was better than $40. I paid that fee and I learned my lesson. But the funny thing is, my next year I went to Mexico again and I bought this vape and I was able to bring it back to. I've had over 10 vape that accumulated to about $400. So I'm paying a hefty amount to slowly kill myself. There's not really a pro. I guess my pros were that it managed my stress. I enjoyed the taste of it, probably because of the nicotine, and I used it during social gatherings. Okay, I guess getting to the point of the video of how to slow it down with vaping, I would suggest buying ones that have a lower nicotine level. So I've had ones that were 5, and then I've had those that were 15%. Because of the 5% one, I couldn't get the taste of it, so it really inclined me not to vape as much because, again, I bought it for the taste. And another tip was try to get it out of your habits. So I vaped when I was stressed, waiting for the bus, or socially. So I found other ways to manage my stress, so that could have been breathing, meditating, or just trying to stress less, basically. And then I've slowed down my habits of vaping while I was waiting for the bus, taking that out and maybe just drink water, or I don't know, do some stretches while I'm waiting for the bus instead. And another thing was the cost. I guess because of import fees, like a vape like this used to be $30, but now it's $50 for one. Really inclined me to stop vaping. I'm just wasting my money on something that's killing me. And so another thing I would suggest is putting the money aside of what you would have paid for a vape, and at the end of the year, use it on yourself, spoil yourself. Because like something like this would be $50, and times that by 12, that's $600 a year for unhealthy habits. Just put that money aside, and hopefully you'll vape less and less, so then the money that you would have used to pay for a vape will go to something that's actually useful. So I really hope that help. I know quitting vaping is hard. It's funny because I don't even smoke cigarettes. I actually tried it once and it was disgusting. Never again. But again, because they made this taste fruity and delicious. I don't know how smoke can taste delicious, but it does. And again, I've lowered it down to maybe once a week. Again, I hope that helps you, or at least lowers the amount of vaping that you do. Until next time, have a good night and a good life. Peace. I really gotta stop.